Hey keyboard players, I thought I'd put together a quick tutorial for Reckless Love because it's a bit of a tricky part. It's got kind of what feels like a 4/4 lead line over a 6/8 rhythm. So I thought I'd just break that down for us. So what's happening in this song? It's 168 BPM, which is the 6/8 timing. It sounds like this, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then over the top of that, we play the lead line. I'm going to do all of this in the key of A, the female key, so you can learn that and then transpose it to other keys as you need. So this is what it sounds like. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, oh sorry, I stuffed it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So that's, I'll turn that off. We all love a metronome. That's the lead line, right? So if you play it without any beat, it sounds almost like a 4/4 beat too. Okay, so you need to have that 6/8 beat in your head or you're not going to get the timing right. You can't ignore the 6/8, you have to embrace it. So I'll just break down the part first. So what we're doing is playing four A's, 4 G sharps, 2 F sharps, E, C sharp. So 1, 2, 3, 4 A's, 2 G, 4, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4 A's, 1, 2, 3, 4 G sharps, 1, 2 F sharps, E, C sharp. Second time through, we move up to B, 4 B's. 1, 2, 3, 4, only 2 A's. 1, 2, 2 G sharps. 1, 2, 2 F sharps. 1, 2, E, C sharp. So going through that, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 1. And up to the B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. So that is our lead line. They're the notes you're going to be playing. So what's the next bit? The next bit is playing it with the... Okay, so how you might want to count this in your head, and it sounds tricky, but it's, if you're not feeling it, this is probably what you have to do. So when we put this metronome on, so as I said, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If there was drums, it'd be right? So that's the beat you got to feel. It's a 6/8, kind of flows. I'm bouncing my body because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you play the whole part, it sounds like this. So it's got that kind of swinging feel to it. So if you're struggling to fit those notes in, what you actually got to do is count them as triplets, because that's what this lead line is. So the lead line's actually 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And it sounds really complicated, I know, but that's what the part is. So I'm actually going to make this a bit slower for the time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So every little beat gets a triplet to it. So if it helps, bump that, like practice to a slower metronome. That slow I just did was 148. You could go down to like 140, 135 if you want. But yeah, practice it slow until you've got it. Now what I'm going to do is, I just recorded some guitar before. So this is kind of what you'll hear. I'll just turn it up. Okay, so you can hear my guitar. You can hear my guitar there, so that's obviously, that's kind of the feel. So it'll be... Right, so let's play through it. Just the lead line. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, Two, three, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 5, 6. So as you can see, it's kind of a lot going on, but once you lock into the feel of it, it works well. Now, one last thing. So when you're playing this part, I don't think you're just going to play one note like that. So again, you're all very accomplished, but what I would play if I was playing it, strong bass notes just to hold the thing together. So that's F sharp, E, D, A. On the right hand, I've got A and E, and then the A. That top A is going to be my lead line. So I'm going to go. So first notes I'm playing the 2 F sharps and the A, or even the E as well. So, and I'm sort of like moving around my right hand a bit. So, but I'm pretty much going to keep the A and the E the same until the end of the progression. So you'll see, I'll play through. So the. Whoops. That kind of fills it out a bit as well. Obviously, if you've got a bass in there, you don't necessarily need to do the full bass notes in your left hand. But yeah, that's that part. And I'm just going to play that through one more time with the acoustic part, which hopefully you can hear in the background there. So it sounds something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the B. And there you have it. That will hopefully serve you well. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.